In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly meeting reminders. Automated reminders are a simple way to reduce no-shows and make sure both you and your guests are prepared for each meeting. I'll walk you through, step by step, how to set up an email reminder workflow inside Calendly, and by the end, it'll be running on autopilot for the event types you choose. First, open your Calendly account and go to your main dashboard where you see all of your event types. This is your starting point for managing how people book time with you. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled Workflows. Click on that. Workflows are Calendly's way of automating actions, like sending emails before or after an event. So this is exactly where we want to be. On the Workflows page, you'll see some suggested workflows, including one for email reminders to invitees. Under that section, click on Add Workflow. This starts the process of creating a new reminder. You'll now see a template with a default workflow name at the top. Click into the workflow name and edit it to something clear and descriptive, like 24-hour reminder for discovery calls. A good name makes it easier to manage things later, especially if you set up multiple reminders. Next, you'll choose which event types this workflow applies to. Find the drop-down labeled "Which event types will this apply to?" and click on Select. Calendly will show you a list of your event types. Click on the event or events you want this reminder to be used for, then click Apply. This ensures the workflow only runs for the specific meetings you care about. Now, let's decide when the reminder should be sent. Find the section labeled When This Happens and click on Edit. Open the drop-down and choose a trigger, for example, before event starts. Then adjust the timing by clicking into the number field and choosing how many minutes or hours before the event you want the reminder to go out. Once you're happy with the timing, click Done. Next, customize the email itself. Next to Send Email to Invitee, click Edit. Here, you can edit both the subject line and the body of the email. Make sure it's clear, friendly, and includes key details like the event name and start time. Calendly usually provides placeholders you can leave in to automatically pull in that information. When you're finished, click Done. Finally, at the top or bottom of the page, click Save. Your workflow is now active, and Calendly will automatically send those meeting reminders based on the rules you just created.